dirty all over. Let's give Bingo a bath. La 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 la. Bingo is taking a bath. Please remove the leaves. Throw the leaves in the waste bin. Oh no, Bingo's feet are so dirty. Please wash them clean. Whoosh! Aim at the bacteria and get rid of them. And wipe off the soil. Wow, Bingo's feet are so clean. Put on some shower gel and wash Bingo clean. Bingo looks like a ball in bubbles. So